Why don't you put him in some sort of facility?
He's my husband. I'm taking care of him for the same reason you helped us. I have a responsibility.
So he's just an anchor weighing you and your family down.
I can't abandon him.
So you don't want to take care of him. Taking care of him doesn't fulfill you, make you happy. But not taking care of him would make you miserable.
Okay, settle.
Do that again.
What was that?
I was talking. You guys are lousy doctors.
He had brain cancer. They removed it 8 years ago. His condition's been the same ever since.
Until last night, he spoke.
What'd he say? He grunted?
You want us to dissect 8 years of medical history with grunting in the differential?
Sounds good. Call me when you're done.